Welcome back. We're back in Luke's Fiesta-ST. It's a 2013 model, so it's on the Fiesta Mark 7.5 variant. Whilst we were doing the USB cable change, Luke did mention that the sync wasn't working properly, which from my understanding is a common fault across the whole Ford range. Now there's a very simple solution for this, or a little thing you can do to start with, which is just a case of resetting the Bluetooth module. Now the easiest way to do that is just to remove the Ford sync fuse in the fuse box, leaving it out for a couple of minutes, putting the fuse back in, and then again waiting 5 minutes, and then resyncing the phone. Obviously delete it off the Bluetooth, reconnect it via the Bluetooth and sync it all in again, and that should fix the problem. I'll just show you where the fuse is and go from there. So we're quite lucky, I've still got the fuse box out from doing the cable, but what you need to do is just open up the glove box, and you've got the two tabs either side, so you just take hold of the glove box, push it in both sides, and then it should drop down, which then shows you the fuse box. Now the fuse you need is this sole single 10 one on the side there. On the fuse box diagram it is number 23, but it's literally the end row, third one up. Oh, gone out of focus. Third one up, and it's 10 amp. So all you're going to do, if you don't have a fuse removal tool with this, I mean you can use your hands or you can use some long nose pliers, but all you're going to do is just remove it. Wait a few minutes and then put it back in, and it's as simple as that. And then all you're going to do is delete your phone from the stereo and then resync it with the Bluetooth as you would as if you just restarted over, and that should be that. Well, that's the end of the video. Obviously, hopefully it was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. Please subscribe to the channel. Got quite a bit coming up. I've got a lot more videos on everything from motorbikes to I've got my big build on my 3 Series BMW, which is a complete build inside and out, as well as other videos on the Fiesta and Luke's Land Rover Defender. So any questions, any comments, please drop them in the comments section. If not, I will leave my email address in the details section. Just give me a message and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. But if not, I will see you in the next video.